amemba a kamiti nene ya kaunti iyo mekire kio hari uruti wa wira tondu ariheanaga kandarathi kuri aria marerutaga wira wao mwega. Oho nigite amemba acio macainite kandarathi ya miaka 2.5 na o ni gutigirira uria ukuremerwo ni wira ni kuinuka hatari gwiciria keri. Ningi nigite wira ucio ukurutwo kuringana na manifesto iria ikorirwo kihea kana iria ikorirwo akinengereria muingi.
A round of applause as they sign, please.
Gavana wa Nakuru Susan Kihika ni adutete mukana kuri kamiti ya kaunti ino riri megushika kandarathi cia uruti wa wira.
You will be seeing me as you have been seeing me on the ground and making sure that work is moving, and contractors who do not take up sites and continue with jobs, or contractors who are doing shoddy jobs will not be able to do any work in this county. Every CCM is expected to ensure that all projects, whether funded by the Exchequer or by development partners, are completed within the timelines.
Susan nioigite ni acoka kuheana kandarathi cia wira kuri andu aria mekuruta wira wao wega. Ningi niongereire na kuga akamiti acio macainite kandarathi ya miaka 2.5 na kuri aria mekuremwo ni wira ni kufutwo mekufutwo wira.
Number one, the reason I will not renew your contract na ujue hapo hiyo leo. If at the end of the financial year, your department has not done its 30% share towards development, you are as good as gone. Because we cannot just be using our budgets for recurrent. Sindio hiyo? We must do development for the county. So if all you are doing in your budget ni trips za sijui which hotel, uko Mombasa, uko Naivasha, sijui uko wapi, ni chai na mandazi, actually you better resign before I get to you. When I got them vetted, I never gave anybody a 5-year contract. I gave my CECs and my CEOs only 2.5 years. I told them before this wananchi wanifukuze, kwanza mimi nitawafukuza hawa.
Niongereire na kuga mutugo wa kuhuthagira mbeca nyingi gukira iria ibangiritwo ni ugukinya mwisho.
The performance contract includes the absorption of funds. The controller of the budget has written to the county government expressing the need to absorb more over the findings of an assessment on the absorption of funds between the financial year 2018 and 2022. We have rolled over as a county for that period between 2018 and 2022. The county government has not absorbed the funds very well and has rolled over projects on average about 5.7 billion in the development budget every year, which is really scary. With this contract, I'm putting my county executive committee on notice to ensure that the development budget is 100% implemented within the financial year.
Rekereria oigete mekuruta wira wao kuringana na manifesto ira maneanire kuri muingi wa Nakuru.
Improve service delivery. I have made a commitment to the full automation of government services and processes. So we'll not only improve efficiency and effectiveness, but also promote accountability and transparency, which are critical to good governance. All CECMs are directed to inject innovation and creativity into the automation of all services within your departments.
Ndoini ha Muthingi TV riakwa ni Wambui wa Wajiko.
With Excellency.
Na riu turoge nginya kuria kaunti-ini ya Narok kuria gavana wa kaunti ino Patrick